Hello, I've asked Gary to take us down another route, looking at some of my favourite earbuds. These are called the Soundpeats LIFE, and they're specially for you. Here we go.
Thank you, Pete, for that introduction. Yes, these are the Soundpeats LIFE. They're a new, low-cost, as in not very expensive, noise-cancelling earbud, whatever you want to call it. And they are aimed at the sort of person that wants good quality with noise reduction, so you can listen to them on the tube or on the bus or something like that. And they've got a 25 dB noise reduction. That's pretty good. And also 25 hours if you use the charging pod to actually keep the thing going. That's the specifications I've read anyway. Let's have a look and see what we've got in here. The box is their normal standard, and it's nice. It looks like they've paid attention to it. And you've got the fold up. Now we're inside. Let's have a quick look at this. It says Soundpeats app and a little bit of more information in there. But it's talking about the Soundpeats app, which is very good. It's well worth having a look at. Okay, let's have a look under here. So, there's the actual box. The carry case for them. Nicely presented. It does say something. If they bother to present it nicely, it means they care. And from what I can tell of these stuff, they're good. So all we got in the box is the little cable. It's a USB-C cable, so nice and easy to use. A nice short one. And then we've got the normal manual underneath, and it's very similar to all the other manuals. So it's got your 7 languages and the just simple instructions how to operate the different touch buttons and things, and it's very good. It's of the normal standard, so yeah, no problem there. More than happy with that. So what we'll do now is we'll have a look and see what the actual buds are like, and then we'll go on and I'll give you some impressions and some information that's a little bit more detailed. So here we go. This is the actual reveal. And hey presto, 1, 2, 3. No, let's get the camera right. Okay. It is a nice feeling box. It's got a good, it doesn't want to just pop open. It's got a good feel to it. And you can see there, it doesn't want to open with one hand. And it's really nice. It feels good. It doesn't feel like you're going to break it just by using it. Let's see if we can get the actual bud out. It's nicely presented there, and yeah, you got the normal problem that they're brand new, they're a little bit slippery. So we get it out and have a look, and I'm glad to say it's got the rubbered insert for your ear. You can see the lights on there. That means that it's going to fit nicely in your ear, and what I found with Soundpeats so far is that they do fit nicely in the ear. I've had problem in the past with earphones that don't fit in the ear. The ones without the rubber don't do me very well at all, but this is nice. And it looks up to the normal quality that you'd expect from Soundpeats. Yeah, impressed with that. I've been using these all afternoon, and I can tell you they are very good. They are what they say on the box. The transparency mode is good. The 25 dB is true. Clear calls, I haven't actually tried it on a call, but I don't have any reason to not think it. The immersive sound is true. And the presentation and they are the drainpipe type. They're not the long drainpipe type. So I'm actually quite impressed with those. Would I buy them? Yes. Are they any good? Yes. Will I get another set? Yes. Because they give you the sound that you want with the sound reduction, the noise reduction that you need if you're going to be in a busy place, and at a price that is very, very reasonable. Flipping hell, have you seen the price of these? If you haven't, go and have a look. There are links in the description below, and if you'd like to buy them, then that's the way to do it. Click on the link. I think if you're going to have earbuds, earpods, whatever you want to call them, this is the sort to go for. If you need the noise reduction and you haven't got a big budget, they have a good all-round sound, good bass, nice treble, and if you use the app, you can always customize it anyway. They are real bargains, real value for money. If you're interested in these, you can click on the link in the description and go through to Amazon. If you're interested in some other Soundpeats, there's a video here, which is for the Air Pro 3 and also the Air 3. There's a difference between them. See what you like. Anyway, catch you another time. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Catch you again.